Today's radars don't cover low-altitude airspace sufficiently, and that limits our situational awareness. Skyler was developed to address this challenge. It's unique because it has the ability to see both environmental and aviation data to provide high-resolution weather and information for flight safety.
Typically, radars today are dedicated. You have air surveillance radars, you have precision approach radars for air traffic, you have weather radars. Skyler does all of that. Skyler's Agile Beam is really the most dynamic aspect of the radar. It allows you to be able to do surveillance, tracking, and microweather. It's a multi-function radar.
You think about today's radars, they work autonomously. They're monostatic systems that are surveilling kind of a large area, and there's kind of an inconvenient truth to the curvature of the Earth. So the paradigm shift with something like Skyler is that it becomes a distributed network of radars that work collaboratively at the sensor level. So instead of having multiple radars work by themselves, this is about collaboration of the radars to form that air picture in an optimal fashion.
A distributed Skyler network could also provide real-time weather data, which would drive more accurate weather forecasts, ultimately resulting in safer airspace management.
One of the aspects that's really important to weather is dual polarization. That's the ability that allows you to discriminate between a raindrop, snow, and ice. It's just a level of insight that makes forecasts, incredibly more accurate.
Beyond weather, Skyler is changing the way we think about radar surveillance. And a Skyler network is poised to solve some of today's biggest air traffic management challenges.
What's unique about Skyler is that it was intended for mounting on cell towers and on top of buildings, in communities, in a smaller form factor that's more suitable to the low altitude, short range coverage.
The foundation of Skyler is a software-defined radar platform, creating high-quality data that can be consumed by the general public, businesses, and the government.
One of the great things about Skyler is that it's really a data generator. There are so many different diverse applications for the data itself, from everything from high-resolution weather, far surpassing what we know today, to support for wildfire detection, to surveillance of air traffic. And it really isn't just one radar for one particular customer or one particular mission. It's the use of the data, and the data itself can be used by multiple customers, whether it's consumers or businesses or federal or military. It's really diverse in nature because it's simply surveilling what's in the atmosphere.
Skyler is the enabling technology for what drones are going to do for us in the future. It could be the agriculture industry, urban air taxi, package delivery. All those things need the sensor technology that Skyler provides. It's taken all of these concepts of what drones are going to be used for in the future, and it's going to enable that to actually happen at a large scale. Skyler is a data provider for surveillance, tracking, weather.
It's radar reimagined,